So what's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today I'm going to be presenting to you Dribbble. Well, I'm not really going to be presenting Dribbble, but I'm going to tell you what are some things you can do with this platform. So basically, Dribbble is just a mock-up platforms where people share their designs and what they have created. It's an image platform where you can come and discover some amazing designs. So you can come and find animations, illustrations, mobile mockups, web mockups, web designs, typography, product designs, and so on and so forth. So there are a lot of designs you can find on here. So there's a good feature here, or there's a good utility for this website that I think you can make use of. And so today we're going to be discovering that. So if you come to this platform, you're going to see a lot of images of basically the ideas people have in mind of maybe apps or websites, and they have designed that into images, so you can come on here and discover all of those amazing images. So today I want to talk about how you can use this platform to come up with app ideas or product ideas or web ideas or application, basically platforms ideas. Like if you want to start a tech startup, how can you make use of this platform to do just that? So let's get into it and let's see how it goes. So already you want to head on to straight away to dribbble.com, and you're going to be presented with this interface, and you're going to see this search bar here. So you're looking for an app idea that you want to implement. Certainly you might have already something in mind, you want to do already. You can come here and just search for that. So let's say, for example, if I have a fintech app idea in mind, so I'll just come on here and search fintech, and I'm going to see the results that is going to propose to me. And straight away you're going to see the different fintech app ideas people are already having in mind, and they have been building or they have designed the images for. So you can go ahead and check out the designs for different people and kind of look for that one that really matches your idea, or at least that one that provides a good base from which you can develop your idea for. So can see here some amazing designs for a fintech app, what it can look like on the web, on an app, and so on and so forth. So you can make use of this to come up with your own app ideas. So not really to come up with your own app ideas, but to develop the idea you already had for maybe a fintech startup. So now let's say you're looking for an app idea, you want something to develop, you're not really quite sure of, you don't yet have actually an idea of what you want. So basically you can just come here and search Android designs, for example, and it's going to give you all app designs. You can search app designs, you can search Android designs, and it's going to give you all the designs people have already made. And from here, you're going to have a lot of ideas of things you can do. People have already come up with so many ideas. You don't need to do something out of the box or just imagine something out of the blue, but you can make use of these designs people have already made to come up with your app idea as well. So for example, here you can see, if you hover, you can see the title of the design. So this is a crypto wallet. This is an influencer mobile app. It already gives you an idea of maybe an app like that. If you're looking for an idea for an app, you can go ahead and check this one out. So let's go ahead and open it and see what that looks like. So you probably have a weather app. You also have this another app is called it's a funny name, but it's a rental for sharing app. And so you have many more ideas: social video editing mobile app, social networking mobile app, furniture e-commerce, and so on and so forth. So the great thing about doing your research this way is that you don't just have an idea that's just a text or a slogan, but you have a concrete visualization of what that could look in real life. You have that concrete visualization, and so you can explore here some of the app ideas people have already had. For example, a language app, you see a little bit how they have designed it, how it's supposed to work, and what it can do. So I know a lot of young people out there are trying to get ideas of what they can build or the different platforms they can develop. And so this is a good way of finding that as well. So once you have found something that interests you, you can go ahead and build on that, develop it, stick to the same design or build your own design, whatever you find suitable for you. So we're just going to check these 3 examples. For example, we're just going to check these 3 examples and maybe end there. We can go through everything. See, there are so many of them. You see, this a food app, and so on and so forth. So with this, you can explore the millions of app ideas people have already had and have come up with designs for, and you can just build on that to create yours as well. No need to think about something totally different or unimaginable. So let's check out this first app. So you have here influencer mobile app. Basically, influencers get on here and I guess people are able to follow them, see their portfolio, and maybe interact with them at a certain level. So if you continue, you can see clearly the design of the app and how it's going to look like. So you have the home page, you have the profile page, you have the filters page or the filter bottom sheet. Then you come here, you see it has this interface that looks like TikTok. So basically with this, you have a full view of what the full entire app could look like. So it's quite amazing. You get your full app idea developed already by someone, and you can easily get the mockups of this. So to get the mockups of this, you can just get in touch with the person. Maybe they will send it to you for free, or they might charge you something. But nevertheless, you can still go off from these images and develop the mockups yourself, or basically make use of these mockups to make use of these images, to just develop it by yourself. So these Dribbble users actually do list their socials very obviously on your platform. So here you can see you can contact the person through Telegram, WhatsApp, or even through their website as well, or their email, and they can send to you their mockups totally for free. And sometimes they have even used they've already developed the code, so they can equally sell that to you as well. So let's go to the second option. You have a language learning app. So you see this is an idea for a language learning app and how it might look like. So you have the interface which has been built. There are not really a lot of images, so you can go off of these two images or contact this creator as well and request for the entire project from them. Maybe buy it from them, or they might be kind enough to send it to you for free. So finally, we have the other app as well, dating mobile iOS app. You see a little bit what it can look like. You have the different interfaces for the different pages. So they put in the colors and everything. They've already put in all the details. So basically, this is how you can find app ideas, and you already have a visual representation of what the app ideas look like, and you can go ahead and build it by yourself. So I find this to be a great method to use to kind of develop app ideas and really get them going. So definitely explore this website, dribbble.com, and see some of the app ideas you can come up with. Maybe you can find some great ones that you would like to implement and develop by yourself. So good luck with that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want a part 2 to this session. You can do the same thing as well for websites, designs, product designs, and so on and so forth. You can use this to come up with the ideas for that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.